Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. I have a set here from a company called LETbricks, and this is the Mocsage Dutch Windmills Medieval Countryside Model Building Blocks set. Gee, that's a mouthful. It looks like a Dutch windmill. It looks very detailed, so I'm not sure if those are printed parts or if they're stickers. The box art's pretty nice on it, so it shows you how detailed this build will be. And the windmill part looks pretty cool. I wonder if it spins around. So let's see how to open this box. And it is very well secured and boxes in boxes. That means the parts will be nice and safe, nothing broken, and it's really hard to get out. Alright, let's take a look in box A. So there are 2,296 pieces in this, and they are nicely numbered. Okay, we've got bag 1 there, so should be a lot easier to build when it's like this. Okay, so there's a few packets in the bags. And what have we got here? Oh, these are the windmill sail parts. Let's see what they're made of. Oh, so it's like a very thin cardboard that's been, I don't know if laminated or anything. It doesn't look like they're going to rip easy. Okay, so that's cool. Now, instructions. Oh, we get stickers. Oh, so they weren't printed parts. We got to stick the wooden bits on and all the details. That's okay, I don't mind. Now, instructions. Let's see if it's easy enough to read. Yeah, looks alright. You got to take your time doing this. Oh, there's a circle part to do. Okay, and there's that end bit there. 240 steps to this windmill. Okay. Alright, box B. And I know there are 7 bags all up in this set. Well, it's nice that they're all packaged nicely. At least you don't have damaged bricks and pieces. I'll pop everything together so you can see what comes in this set. Definitely different to what I normally build. Alrighty, let's build. Building up the base plate, and there's quite a few smaller plates and different shades of green being used, and there'll be quite a few smaller plates placed on top to do all the landscaping and all the different levels. After doing some of the landscaping, I noticed that the base plate curves up a little bit. It's because you do use a lot of little plates on there. There are a lot of little pieces in this set, and that's just to give extra detail to the building. And this is the round tower part for the windmill. Once again, lots of little parts, but that's just to give the extra texture and the old look to this, I guess, round tower. I do like the technique in this, but you really got to read the instructions properly on it. So you put all the little pieces in on the right spot. So I'm just going to secure it here, and we're going to continue building. Just building the little hut or building next to the tower. I'll just pop all that on there. This really has good clutch power, these bricks. There is nothing inside this little house or building, and we get the little front door there, but it doesn't open, so that's like just sits there. And I do like the windows in it as well, the little snot technique used. Here's the angled roof part. So I like how this is built. You just place it on top there. There's a lot of detail with the roof shingles and the stickers added. The stickers are actually quite good quality. They stick on nicely and you can peel them off if you make a mistake, which is what I like. And I love how they use that snake part for the little chimney smoke, and there's the little windows. So the same type of build that was in the little hut. They look pretty good and they do sit in there quite nicely. Then we're putting in some extra foliage for colour there and continue this round tower. Time to put this domed roof on. Now I like how this is built. It's very different to what I've ever built. You got to be very patient because the little bits fall off and they kind of sit not aligned. Like I've tried moving them around, but this is the best as I could build this tower. So that's how that looks like. I do like the technique. Like it's very clever. Now we've got this big oak tree going in on the side. Time for the windmill blades, and I'm popping on the sails on there. They are alright to put on. And then I've got to put these bars here just to hold them in place. And I had to make 4 of those and then connect it to that center wheel type part. And then we get a finishing off part on the front there. I'll just try and attach it, and it's not going on very easily because that Technic rod pin keeps sliding inside the roof. So I've had to take the roof off and hold the pin in place to attach the sail. And I checked over the instructions many times if I forgot something there, and I didn't. So I've popped the roof together and this is the finished product. The windmill does spin around, so that's cool. The roof's cool being that domed shape and it gives it that rustic look. So I'm just going to put me here so you can see the size. So I'm a little bit too big for this, but your minifigs will work quite well. Like I said before, the base plate curves up a tiny bit. I will have to try and push it down a bit more. I like the windows, I like the roof, how that's designed, all the plants and foliage around. The bricks around this tower are great. There's lots of detail there. The big tree on the side. It's an interesting and very nice looking set. The Mocsage Dutch Windmills Medieval Countryside set, also known as the Dutch Windmill set from LETbricks. Look, it's a nice looking set. There's a lot of good building techniques here. The designer's done a really great job. The windows are great. The roof design is good, but this is a purely display piece only because the roof is fragile. It can fall apart. But if you like medieval style builds and you got a little countryside, this will look perfect there. So everyone, get your bricks out.